Angie Horkan is here from the Wisconsin Beef Council. Grilling? We're still grilling. It's August.
It's grilling weather.
It is. What are we grilling?
It's too warm to start the oven. It's almost too warm to grill right now at noon, but we're okay.
Warm out here, yes.
Okay, so I've got a farmer's market vegetable beef and brown rice salad. So if you've got the garden or you like to head to the farmer's market, this is the perfect time, right?
Okay.
We've got all of our vegetables ready.
Fresh?
Everything's fresh. So we're just gonna put all that right in the bowl. So you can start with some cooked brown rice.
All of it?
Yep, all of it. We'll just kind of pile it up however you like, do some food styling. And then you got garbanzo beans, kind of fun, fresh tomatoes, and then fresh asparagus, which isn't really in season, but fresh yellow squash. But you could use any kind of vegetable, and I did grill those ahead of time.
Okay.
So you can put those right in, and then some basil. Then the dressing kind of works double duty because we're using a top round steak. Very lean, but not grill ready.
Okay.
So I marinated it 24 hours in half of the dressing. So some fresh thyme, lemon juice, minced garlic, a little bit of honey, and a little bit of olive oil. I like marinating the top round. Well, our recipes always say 6 hours to overnight. I do overnight. Otherwise, you can do this handy dandy little guy.
Sort of a
Needle tenderizer. It works awesome for top round, flank, skirt, all of those. Okay, that looks perfect. So I'm gonna put the top round on. And then we could do a little more dressing if you like. Then the second recipe, I've got two, is called garden grilled tri-tip. So I've got a tri-tip kind of a roast. They come about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. Usually have a fat cover on them. It's a bottom sirloin, so a little more economical. Needs a little bit of marinating too. You don't have to, you could smoke it. Some people just season them and grill them. I marinated this one kind of in a similar marinade, but it's got white wine in it instead of honey. So kind of a fun, easy, light marinade. And then at the same time, I grilled some veggies. So I got eggplant in here, yellow squash, red zucchini, red pepper, yellow pepper. Whatever you got from the garden can be thrown in here, kind of a ratatouille.
It's a great pan, too, for the grill.
Yeah, got that, yeah. And then I did on the vegetables just a little bit of olive oil, a little salt and pepper. Then the dressing that I use for the marinade, you can dress up your veggies with. Like this, whoop, whoop. And then throw in some tomatoes.
Dig in.
Let them get warm. And some more basil. Kind of some of the same ingredients, the same but different here. So there's some different ideas.
Beeftips.com?
Correct, beeftips.com. Click on As Seen on TV. Find these recipes, plus a lot of other great fun recipes for August.
Smells great. All right, thanks, Ange.